How to treat your sick fish using the salt. In catfish farming, salt has several practical benefits, especially for managing fish health and water quality. So in catfish farming, we can always use our salt for disease prevention and treatment. You can always use the salt for stress reduction. You can always use the salt as well to improve our water quality. So for treating your sick fish, you must ensure the stomach of your fish are empty. Do not feed them. Whenever you are treating your fish, always suspend feeding. So get a separate small container with clean water, add the salt and mix very well. After mixing, you make sure you lower your pond water to the foot level. Make sure you lower your pond water to the foot level. After doing that, you can apply the salt solution into the pond very gently. After doing this, you have to leave them for good 30 minutes to 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. After then, you can come back and top up your water bag. Top up your water bag. Remember, do not feed. Suspend feeding anytime you are feeding your fish. It is not the feed you didn't feed your fish for these 2 3 days that will not allow them attain 1 kg. Please and please do not waste your feed. Don't feed your fish whenever you are treating your fish. So after 30 minutes, you can come back and top up your water. Then you repeat same process for straight 2 to 3 days. You don't just treat your fish once and expect them to stop dying. No, you have to repeat the process twice or thrice before it can stop completely. On the 7th day of June 2025, we successfully delivered these 5 trays charcoal powered oven at Ayobo here in Lagos State, Nigeria. This particular one uses charcoal, not gas. So for many of us that are interested in the charcoal powered oven, we also construct ovens that uses charcoal as well. And in addition to this, our ovens are not restricted to only catfish. You can use this oven to smoke every other livestock as well, like your cow, your rabbit, your chicken. You can use this oven to smoke any other thing aside from catfish. It is not restricted to catfish because I often get this question in my DM. So in case you are interested in something portable like this comes in 5 trays. We also have the ones for 10 trays as well, depending on your budget. So you can always send us a DM or give us a direct call to place your order. Also, distance is not a barrier. We can construct this and send it over to you anywhere you are in Nigeria as well. That will be that for today. In case you're interested in this oven, you can always give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message. Thank you for watching.
So I have two fish here making 1 kg. This is what I always advise farmers that are selling at below size. If you are selling at below size, always ensure you also sell your fish when they are around 500 grams, 450 grams, 600 grams, because at this size, 2 fish can make 1 kg and can sell and make a reasonable profit. Not how you selling 7 pieces of fish making 1 kg. Some even sell 10 pieces of fish making 1 kg, 5 pieces of fish making 1 kg. At the end of the day, you might not make any reasonable profit. So when you are selling at launch as well, always consider selling when 2 fish are making 1 kg, 500 grams, 450 grams, partially 600 grams, 650. At least 2 fish or at what 3 fish are making 1 kg. You can sell at that size and still make reasonable profit. So I have some orders to clear out. I'll be smoking this set of fish I'm counting here, and I'm going to be sending them over to our customer. So when selling launch catfish, always consider each size of your fish as well, so as to maximize profit when selling launch catfish. Two fish making 1 kg makes more sense when selling at launch. Remember to share videos like this. Thank you.
Earthen pond users are the most difficult set of farmers to always advise in this catfish farming industry. Once you are using plastic pond, tarpaulin pond or concrete pond, they see you as a novice. They believe you don't know half of what they know. And that is why some of them, not all of them, that is why some of them will end up losing money every time they harvest. Some of them finding difficult to continue after their first or second harvest. I see no reason why you will stock over 11,000 post fingerlings or juveniles into a pond of 30 feet by 20 feet, and you only budgeted 5 million naira to feed them to table size when it will take you over 2 million naira to feed 1,000 fish in this 2025. Then you budget just 5 million naira to feed over 11,000 fish to table size, and you expect to make profit. So many things had happened for that period of 6 months which you don't even know. So many things happened, no sorting, no change of water. You left them, then after 6 months, 7 months, you are coming back to come and cash out, to come and make money. Fish farming doesn't work that way. It is what you feed your fish with you will see on your harvest day. Please and please, you using an netting pond doesn't stop you from passing through the normal process in this industry. Welcome back once again to our page, Ashulex Farms. So we are currently back at the location where we last installed our 5 trays charcoal powered oven. So we are back here today to conduct a physical training on how to properly smoke catfish. Trainings like this help your farm workers to gain practical skills that can turn your catfish farming business into a full-blown business. So during this physical training, we did more of a practical. We discussed benefits of smoking a catfish. We introduced ourselves to what catfish smoking is all about. We discussed ideal fish size and condition. We also showed them how they can properly clean and prepare their catfish. We looked into the brining and seasoning options for their catfish. We also taught them how to hygienically package their smoked catfish for local and export market. So during this training, we did so many things. We covered so many topics on this day. We also showed them how to properly operate their newly constructed 5 trays charcoal powered oven. So as a catfish farmer, don't just sell your catfish fresh. Always think of adding value and doubling your profit as well in this catfish farming business. We have so many lovers of smoked catfish out there that are looking for where to buy quality smoked catfish. Ensure you also take advantage of this huge smoked catfish market as well. Make sure you learn the exact step-by-step method to smoking your catfish from a professional, from those that knows the A to Z of this value chain. So in case you are interested in our oven or you're interested in our physical training, you can always send us a DM or give us a direct call. We are always available to deliver. That will be that for today. Always remember to share videos like this. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.